pork adobo, we have 1 kilo of pork belly, half cup of garlic, half cup of cane vinegar, half cup of soy sauce, 3 bay leaves, half tablespoon of peppercorn, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. Now for the marinade, we put the soy sauce, the vinegar, the bay leaves, and the peppercorns. Now we're gonna crush the garlic. Put them into the sauce. Now we're gonna cut the meat in big cubes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Now we're gonna place the meat into the marinade. Give it a good stir. Plunge it down. Now we place the meat with the marinade in the fridge for a minimum of half an hour, but the longer the better, so we're gonna do it for around 2 hours. Well, adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're adding our marinated pork cubes. Adding the sugar, give it a quick caramelization, and fill up with the remaining marinade sauce. Fill up with some boiling water. Just enough to cover. Bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to a small simmer and put the lid on. First 15 minutes. Quick stir. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, the pepper bay leaf. Oh, fantastic. Lid back on. And we check in another 15-20 minutes. So we are in now 1 hour 20 minutes into the cook. We're gonna check the meat. One little test with the fork. It's slicing through nicely. So now we're getting out meat. Now we're getting off the sauce. Putting back the meat. Now we're gonna crank up the heat to dry up. Kind of second fry. And render out some more fat of the pork. Put back your sauce. Stir. Reduce back to a medium simmer. Let it reduce a little bit. Just nice. Caramelizing, thicken up. Nicely thicken up. We are ready to serve.